guys, it's Samya aka The Shoddy Dope. Being a foodie, it has been a dream to explore new cities to taste amazing food places there. So this time it's Belgaum and this is the 6th episode of Hashtag Dope Eats. So best food options in Belgaum. So for breakfast, my choice was Udai Bhavan in Tilakwadi. It's a right place for all sorts of South Indian breakfast. 50 to 100 rupees में आपकी अच्छी सी breakfast हो जाएगी. And मैंने order किया एक पूरी for 50 rupees. The puris were so fluffy and kurma थोड़ी सी अलग थी with flavors of lots of veggies and corn which is a add-on. Obviously kick-starting my day with a cup of tea. मैंने order किया KT for 30 rupees because I like to have less sugar in my tea. So I am going to my next destination which is Srinath. It's around 100 meters from Udai Bhavan. It's in the same lane. So let's go and taste misal pav, which is the famous food in Belgaum. So let's see how is it. A small place called Srinath Juice Center serves the best misal pav and vada pav in Belgaum, and I'm tasting misal for the first time and I'm super excited. Pav is served with matki ussal, chopped onions and farsan, which is a mixed shave with ghatka and all of that, and this is the key ingredient in the misal. In addition to this, you are given a gravy called rasa, which is made out of the matki, and it was so delicious. So I'm gonna crave for misal every time I come Belgaum. And next, lunch या dinner के लिए non-veg खाना चाहते हो तो Niya's has to be your choice. It was the most suggested among all the restaurants in Belgaum, which has great ambience and food. So we ordered a starter called wok toast chicken. So the chicken was so perfectly cooked and you can see the gravy. It tasted so yum and थोड़ी सी garlic ज़्यादा थी, but it was so yummy. And next, one of the best biryanis I tasted was mutton biryani. It had the right amount of spices and rice was finely cooked and मटन की अच्छी सी टेस्ट राइस में ब्लेंड हुआ था. शाम को कुछ चटपटा या जंक खाने का मन हुआ तो so called Ramdev Chaat Center has to be your choice. It's right opposite to Ramdev Hotel in Nehru Nagar. You can beat your cravings with variety of food options from pav bhaji to dosa to vada pav and juices as well. I tasted pav bhaji for 40 rupees and I am in love with this. एक बात मैंने बेलगम में नोटिस की है कि everything I tasted was so perfect in spices. And next we went on with something little different was tandoor chap, and I'm tasting this for the first time, and we ordered soya chap for 80 rupees. My mouth was literally watering when I saw him preparing this, and I really liked the taste of malai in it, and the spices was perfect yet again, and you are given with 2 types of spicy chutney, and I really liked this. Another most suggested place was Naturals Ice Cream. You can see this from Ramdev Chat Center, a great ambience to sit and chill out. Naturally with fruits. You have options of seasonal fruits like mango, peach and non-seasonal fruits which you get to have throughout the year. We ordered sitafal. It really tasted like a fruit. The ice cream was so effortlessly melty. You can get to have the fruit chunks with the ice cream. and I am a big fan of ice creams here. एंड बेलगम की फेमस स्वीट कुंदा टेस्ट करना मत भूलिएगा एट श्री पुरोहित कुंदा. I took half a kg of kunda for 180 rupees. And moving on for dinner, a good vegetarian food place is Paratha Corner at Tilakwadi. It's a hotspot for parathas. We had to wait for the place. It was so crowded. And we ordered aloo cheese paratha, and the raita has to be ordered separately. The aloo was stuffed so perfectly and it was just melting in the mouth, and the raita stole my heart. And we had a nice dinner. We ordered roti and a paneer bhaji. So that's it for today's video. Do let me know if you have any other places in the comment section, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.